Good afternoon, Mr. Fred. So this is a simulated scenario, and we are talking of a 59-year-old man who suffers from arthritis, just to protect all privacy. All right, so you suffer from arthritis?
Yes.
Are you in pain now, or have you suffered from pain in the last 24 hours?
Yes, my hands hurt all the time.
Your hands hurt all the time. So describe that pain to me. What does it feel like to you?
It's just my hands are real stiff. I can't work like I used to be able to.
Okay, all right. So stiffness and achiness. When did that pain start for you?
It's just been getting worse and worse over the last couple of months.
Okay, so about 2 months, you think?
Yeah.
And is the pain just in your hands, or do you have it elsewhere?
Just all my joints hurt.
All of your joints. Okay, all right. Does it radiate from the joints, or is it just particularly in your joints?
It radiates out from the joints.
Okay, all right. And how long does that pain usually last for you when you experience pain?
It varies.
Okay, it varies from?
A few minutes to, an hour.
Okay, all right. And how often does it reoccur if you get the pain to go away? How often does it happen again?
If I take some Advil or something, it'll keep the pain away for a while, but then it comes back.
Okay. On a pain scale of 1 to 10, with 1 being, feel a little achiness, and 10 being the most excruciating pain you can imagine, what would you rate your pain on your worst day?
Maybe a 4.
Okay, all right. Do you take any medications besides the Advil for your pain?
No.
Okay. Have you tried any herbs or supplements to help you with your pain? Okay, all right. And how often are you taking that Advil?
Just whenever the pain gets bad, I'll take some.
Okay, all right. Does it seem to interfere with your general activities from day to day?
Yeah, I can't do all the things I used to do.
Okay, all right. And what about your mood? Does it seem to affect your mood?
Well, I kind of get depressed because I can't do the things that I used to be able to do.
Okay, all right. What about your concentration? Do you think it affects your concentration?
Yeah, because, when you're in pain, that's what you tend to
Okay.
think about most.
All right. What about physical activity? Does it interfere with that? Okay. All right. What do you generally do for physical activity?
Well, I run some, and then I also I like to play the guitar, and that's with my hands won't let me play the guitar now. It's the way they are now.
Okay. All right. And what about your work? Do you still work?
No, I'm retired.
Okay. All right. Sleep, does it interfere with your sleep?
Sometimes I'll wake up when I'm hurting.
Okay. All right. All right. And when you wake up from sleep, what do you do to get yourself back to sleep?
Usually, if I haven't taken any Advil for a while, I'll take some Advil and try to go back to sleep.
Okay. All right. So what I'd like to do now is where do you think your pain is mostly? Is it in your hands most of the time? Is where you're having most of your pain? Yeah. Okay. All right. What about any elbow joints or any knee joints, shoulder joints?
Yeah, elbows and knees.
Okay. All right. So let's take a look. All right. So first thing I want to do is I just want to look at your joints here and check them for any redness or heat. Okay. Just relax your arm. All right. Any pain as I'm pushing on that right now?
It's just a little tender.
Okay. All right. So I noticed when you were describing that your activities that you were doing a finger motion. Do you like to play guitar?
Yeah. I
Okay.
used to, but it's hard these days.
Can't do it right now? Okay. All right. And if you'll just stretch your leg out for me, I want to look at your knee. You can relax. All right. And let's look at this knee right here. See? Okay, and you can relax that one. Okay. If you would, squeeze my fingers as hard as you can at the same time. Good. You relax. And try to lift this arm while I'm pushing against it. Good. And this one, how about pain with that?
Some pain.
Okay, and both at the same time? Good. Okay. So now, all right. And how's that feel? A little pain with that? Okay, just relax that. Let's bend your elbow. Good. And now your hand. Just back. Okay. All right. Okay. And same thing with this one. Let's do the whole arm. I've got my hand on the joint to see if I can feel any popping or cracking when we do those motions. Okay. Okay. All right. Now stretch your legs out. All right. Now I want you to do the same thing. I want you to push up while I'm pushing down. Good. How about any pain with those? A little less painful than your hands, huh? Okay.
Yeah.
Go ahead and relax. All right. Now. So a little more pain in the ankles. Okay. All right. Okay, it looks like that most of your pain is in your hand and your ankle joints, so we will talk about getting you a stronger arthritis workup, okay? See what we can do to control that pain.